Hello children, we are going to start with practice set 11.2. Here you see in statistics, now we are going to see the graphs. Observe the following graph and answer the questions. You know, on graph we have x-axis, we have y-axis, we have to write the scale and all. So we'll come in the later problem as it comes. So first question is there, only to observe the graph and answer the following questions. State the type of graph. What type of subdivided bar graph? Why subdivided? It is divided into two parts. Bar graph you know very well. It is here divided into two parts. One is for saving in April, another is for saving in March. How much is the saving of Vaishali in the month of April? April is given by the dark box. Vaishali's saving in April is up to here, that is 600. Vaishali's saving in the month of April is rupees 600. How much is the total saving of Saroj in the month of March and April? March is this blank one and dark one is April. So March and April, Saroj's total saving is coming to 800. How much more is the total saving of Savita than the total saving of Megha? Savita saving, total saving is 1000 rupees and Megha's total saving is, it is between 400 to 600. So it will be 500. Total saving of Megha is 500. So the difference between the two is 1000 minus 500 is 500. Savita's saving is rupees 500 more than Megha. Whose saving in the month of April is the least? Least means minimum. Megha, it is only 200. Others are more than that. So Megha's in the month of April is the least. Question 2. The number of boys and girls in standard 5th to 8th in a ZP school is given in the table. Draw a subdivided bar graph to show the data. Scale what you have to take on y-axis, 1 centimeter equals to 10 students. So here you see the table is given in the question. So you have to draw the graph. Scale on y-axis, 1 centimeter equals to 10 students you have to take. For boys, you make it dark suppose, and for girls empty. Any way you can do the cross lines in it also, whatever is convenient for you. On x-axis, you will take leaving 1 centimeter. Here you have to leave 1 centimeter. You know how to draw the bar graph. Leave 1 centimeter here, and next box you take off 1 centimeter width. So here for 5th class, then leave one box. Then for 6th class, leave one box. 7th class, leave one box for 8th class. Now whatever data is given, for boys it is dark. So boys of 5th class is 34 and girls is 17. So here 30 to 40 in 1 centimeter, 10 units are there. 31, 32, 32 up to 39. So here 34 will come here on the 4th. And then 17. 34 plus 17 is 51. So 50 plus 1. So here you see 51. You have to draw this graph with a sharpened pencil. So it must be very accurate. Up to 34 you have to dark it because boys are in dark, and leave blank only white for girls. Similarly, for 6th standard, it is given 26 for boys and 14 for girls. 25 here it will come in the center plus 1, 26 and 14, 40. So like this for 6th class, For 7th class, it will be 21 boys and 14 girls. 21 boys and 14 girls equals to 35. So total it will come to 35. And for 8th standard, 25 boys and 20 girls. So 25 boys are there, 20 girls. So equals to 45. Don't forget to write here on x-axis what you have taken standard. On y-axis, here you have already written 1 centimeter equals to 10 students. So here you have, don't forget to write students. Draw the graph neatly. Next, question 3. In the following table, number of trees planted in the year 2016 and 2017 if 4 towns is given. Show the data with the help of subdivided bar graph. Now here on x-axis what we will take? Vadgaon, Shivapur and Khandala are the towns given. And in which year? 2016 and 2017. And here the number of trees planted are given. Total is also given. So on y-axis what you will take? 1 centimeter equals to 100 trees. For example, for year 2016 you are taking it as dark and 2017 as a blank box. So here you will come across on x-axis you have to take the name of the towns, leave 1 centimeter gap and make 1 centimeter broad box. And on y-axis as you have taken 1 centimeter equals to 100 trees. So on y-axis write down trees and here on x-axis write the name of the towns. Now you know how to draw and total must come to the total what is there. For Karjat it is 150 and 200. 150 is up to here plus 200, 350. Like this you have to draw for Vadgaon, Shivapur and Khandala. I am sure it is very easy. Try. For your reference, this figure is given you. Question number 4. In the following table, data of the transport means used by students in the 8th standard for communication between home and school is given. Draw a subdivided bar diagram to show the data. Scale on y-axis 1 centimeter equals to 500 students. Here if it is given, you have to take that only. Otherwise, you can take by your own. Whatever is convenient for you. Means of communication, cycle, bus and auto, on foot. This will be coming in the scale and town will be coming on x-axis. Number of students will come on y-axis. So on y-axis 1 centimeter equals to 500 students. For cycle it is given in light grey color. For bus and auto it is given dark grey color. On foot it is given blank. Again I repeat, you can do any design. You can draw the lines also like this. Cross lines you can keep. Dots you can keep. Any other thing also you can keep as a scale here. Now, here what you will do. For example, pattern is there. 3,250 students go by cycle. 3,250 students go by cycle. Plus 750 students go by bus or auto. So 3,250 you have marked here. This is 3,000, this is 3,500. So center will be 3,250. And from here you have to add 750. It comes to 4,000. And from 4,000 you have to add 1,000. So it comes to 5,000. Here you can see the table. 3,250 for cycle, 750 for bus and auto, on foot 1,000. Total comes to 5,000. Similarly, for the town Yeola, it is 1,500 by cycle, 500 by bus and auto, and 1,000 on foot. 1500 on cycle, bus or auto 500, so it will be total 2000, and 1000 on foot. So it is coming 3000. Total comes to 3000. Shahapur also. Shahapur it is given 1250 plus 500, it will be 1750 plus 500, it will come to 2250. Please check here. 1250 plus 500 plus 500, 2250. So this is how you can draw the subdivided bar graph. This much is sufficient for this exercise. In the next exercise, see you again. By that time, goodbye. Take care of yourself. Thank you.